Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. And oh, it is once again Jack Wolf Knife Day. Yes, very cool. This one came in, well, it came in a couple days ago, but I haven't had time to open it and do so. I'm dying to get into this. This is going to be the Cyborg Jack, guys. Removed all of the identifying marks off of it. There you go. And I think it's on the bottom showing. Oh, should I look? If I look at the bottom of the box, it's going to tell me which one. No, I'm not going to. We're just going to open it. It's going to be a surprise when I open it and unwrap it. I can look at the bottom of the box, but I'm not going to. There, I'll sit it over there. All right. Oh, dude. Check out the artwork. Now, oh, man. This is really cool. Now, it's funny because Ben was talking and he kind of got inspired from like the 80s movies with cyborgs like RoboCop and the Terminator and that type of thing. And oh, that definitely comes through in that artwork. Very, very cool. As always, you guys know you get the entire package when it comes to Jack Wolf knives. Not only do you get the awesome tin, oh yeah, right there on top, the Pog. Very cool. Awesome. We'll sit that up there. Oh, we got a pink one this time. This is so cool. He's always using these different, what we've got blue, green, and orange so far. Now we have pink. I better not show Nellie. She might steal that from me. And the sticker. Nice night for a walk. That's cool. I dig it. Oh, yeah. And like I said, total package. You get the Jack Wolf slip as well. Very cool. All right, we'll get this out. All right, that's everything. Is it going to stay? Oh, it might. Okay. You know what? We're going to leave it just like that because it's staying there. It might not be exactly centered, but that's where it's staying. So, there you go. Jack Wolf knives. Now, real quick, there's 5 different versions of this one. There's an OD green and a black canvas micarta. Those are going to run $270, $499, $275 basically. Then you have the dark matter orange fat carbon, the toxic storm, which is kind of like a green and yellow fat carbon, and then you have the hot pink camo carbon, and that hot pink looks sweet. So I don't know which one I have yet. Let's see. What do you think? Which one do you think I got? Go ahead, type in your comment right now, which one do you think I got? I am going to guess, just because I like the way that hot pink looks, and we've got a pink, I'm going to say hot pink. I'm going to guess. He does them completely at random, so which one did I get? I guessed pink. What did you guess? Oh, the orange. Oh, got the little flecks of orange in there. Oh, wow. This is going to be sweet. Now, as always, we're just going to take a quick look because, golly, every time I look at these knives, guys, I just get completely blown away. Because the tolerances on these knives are so incredible that, good Lord, man, those things are beautiful. These, again, I always say it, and I'm going to keep saying it until he proves me wrong, which he probably never will, but these are the best constructed slip joints I have ever seen. Absolutely, without a doubt. Now, you can see this one. It's more of an angular or geometric kind of. Now, this comes completely from the mind of Ben. I mean, yeah, it's got a little throwback to some of the other, more traditional patterns. Like, he did mention a sow belly because you do have a little bit of that, that kind of bend or curvature of the knife. So, I mean, it does kind of have a little bit of a sow belly-ish look to it, but this is definitely a design all its own. And of course, Cyborg, geometric, it all kind of futuristic, it all kind of goes together. Now, definitely got a nail nick there, titanium, the carbon fiber. All right, so it's got a nice solid pull. I'd say that's pretty much a 7. Oh my goodness, would you look at that clip? Holy smokes. And as all Jack Wolf knives, just a wicked hollow on it. M390, as always, right? Yeah. All right, now with the geometric, I kind of wanted to. Oh yeah, that feels good. You know me, I like my curves, but that feels really good in hand. And you've got a little bit of a ramp there that holds that thumb really nicely. Got the nice choil, as always, Jack Wolf there on the blade. Oh my goodness, that feels nice. He just keeps knocking it out of the park with these knives. They are just absolutely fantastic. Now, the carbon fiber ones, they run right around 300. As I said, the micarta runs run 275. And wow, just incredible knives. Now, guys, these do go on sale. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There you go. These go on sale the 18th. The 18th of November at 11 a.m. Pacific or 2 p.m. Eastern is when these release. A little bit later in the month. I think this might be the latest in the month that one has been released, but it's coming. I know people, these are, wow. He sells out almost every time, and they're just amazing knives. Just absolutely fantastic. This is going to be, I'm going to have to carry this one and show it off a little bit, I do believe, because this is really nice. You can see that you kind of get that hint of orange in there. That's cool. And the carbon fiber just shines. Look at that glisten, man. Holy smokes, that looks good. Golly, that feels good. The Cyborg Jack, guys, the next one in the line of, I keep my fingers crossed. I keep my fingers crossed every month because I've been waiting for that low drag. And that's out of all the ones that I've seen so far, I was like, oh, is this going to be low drag month? Is this going to be low drag month? But hey, the Cyborg Jack, another fantastic design from the mind of our good friend, Ben Belkin at Jack Wolf Knives. Dude, excellent job. Thank you very much, my friend. Greatly appreciate you sending this one out. Save your pennies, guys. They're coming. Hope you guys are, if you want one, get them. Get them when they release, man, because these carbon fiber ones, they sell out quick. I mean, real quick. If you can find one a couple weeks later, it's usually the micarta. It's not going to be the carbon fiber because they're just, people snag those things up really quick. But thanks again, Ben. Greatly appreciate you, my friend. Thank you guys for checking out my unboxing of this month's Jack Wolf knife, the Cyborg Jack. Remember, guys, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all later, guys. Bye-bye.